Hello student, today I will discuss about the solution of pair of linear equation, that is consistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equation is said to be consistent if it has one or infinite many solutions. That is, it satisfies two conditions: a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, or a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. That is, a pair of linear equation has one solution or infinite many solutions, then the pair of linear equation has said to be consistent. Next, inconsistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equation is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution, that is, it is satisfy the condition a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. That is, if a pair of linear equation have no solution, then the system of a linear equation is said to be inconsistent. That is next topic, graphical method for solving pair of linear equation. There are two methods for solving a pair of linear equation: graphical method and algebraic method. First, I will discuss about the topic graphical method for solving pair of linear equation. Through the example, solve the pair of linear equation x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12 by using graphical method. Solution: given pair of linear equation x plus 3y equal to 6, equation 1, 2x minus 3y equal to 12, equation number 2. First, you draw the graph of given linear equation, that is x plus 3y equal to 6, using a table. Make a table x, y and put the value of x and y, get the other value of x or y. So you put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 2. Put y is equal to 0. In this equation, we get x is equal to 6. So pair of points, that is points obtained through this linear equation, we get x, y is equal to 0, 2, 6, 0. Next linear equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So put x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. Put y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. So points obtained, that is x, y is equal to 0, minus 4 and 6, 0. Draw a coordinate axis graph, that is x-axis, y-axis, and locate the point 0, 2, 6, 0 and 0, minus 4 and 6, 0 in the coordinate. So 0, 2, first point, 6, 0 and 0, minus 4. So first join the points 0, 2 and 6, 0. That is, this line obtains, that is, it is the graph of linear equation x plus 3y is equal to 6. Join the point 0, minus 4, 6, 0. That is this and this. We get the graph of given linear equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. The common point or intersection point of these linear equation is called the solution of linear equation. Since 6, 0 is the common point of given linear equation, so 6, 0 is the solution of the given linear equation. That is, the common intersection point of graph of above two linear equation is called solution of pair of linear equation. From figure it is clear that 6, 0 is a common point. Therefore, 6, 0 is a solution of pair of linear equation, that is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. This is the complete solution for solving a pair of linear equation by graphical method.